Let's relax together with Family Quiet Time.
It's Family Quiet Time. Relax your body. Slowly drop your shoulders. Breathe slowly in through your nose and out through your mouth. That's it. Just be still and relax as we imagine and think about being beautiful birds. Birds are lovely and free, flying through the sky, singing beautiful songs. Imagine yourself being different birds. How about an eagle, powerful and majestic? You soar high in the sky. You are graceful, strong, and free. Oh, the hummingbird. You are small and colorful, flitting to and fro, from flower to flower. You give delight to everyone who sees you. I know. Let's be a goldfinch. You sing a beautiful, sweet song. You are brilliant and bright as the sun. You are joyful and bold. Perhaps you're a cardinal. You are a beautiful red cardinal. You are proud and strong. You are eye-catching and bright. Beautiful birds. Imagine yourself free and relaxed and flying effortlessly with the wind beneath your wings. Imagine you are flying and floating above the earth, then resting in a tree. How wonderful it is to imagine being different birds, feeling strong, healthy, relaxed, and peaceful, like you.